this is how you fill the kettle, because apparently the kettle isn't obvious how to fill. You don't have to take the top off, because getting the top on and off is a pain. So you just fill it this way. And I like to take a cloth and wipe off all the water so it doesn't make weird noise on the stove. Sheila, on the other hand, doesn't do that, so you get to choose. So
you go power. I just turned it off actually, but power turns it on. You choose the burner, and then you choose the number. So if you want it on high, you'd go up there. If you want it on medium, you'd go to the middle. So, and if you want to switch burners, you have to turn this one back on. So the little dot comes up, and then this one was on 2.
And you can also slide your fingers over it. It's a slider as well.
Yeah, and this one is power boost, which would boil things really, really fast.
And the thing that's important about this...
Switch back to the kettle. Power boost.
The thing that's really important about this stove...
is what?
That's Sheila. The thing that's really important about this stove is that if you put pots or lids or anything on that control panel...
Oh, this, yes.
Yeah, it complains.
It will,
It beeps.
so you can't lay anything on here or it will really get mad at you, and it will let you know not to do that.
And up here is the normal controls for the oven. Normal stuff.
So to bake, you would go, to turn on the oven, you would go bake, and that puts it on 350 automatically. You can adjust the temperature here, say if you want 400, you can adjust it. And if you don't want that, you would just turn it on and just press start. Whatever temperature it says there, you press start and then it goes.
Okay.
And to cancel, you press cancel. That turns the oven off.
And there's also
Timer.
got a convection button there as well.
Yeah. Timer, press timer, and then say 20 minutes. Oops, timer. Turn on. 20 minutes, and then start for that. And to get the timer off...
Turn that off, it's making too much noise.
Okay, turn this off. To put the timer off, you just press the timer again and it goes off.
And this one also has a timer.
Yeah, but this one, I mean, if you're using the other one, you don't need this one. But say I want to time this and I've got something else timing up here. I could time this, actually I should do that.
That doesn't turn anything off when the timer goes off. It just makes noise once.
Yeah, this one will keep reminding you that the timer is off, so it's a safer one.
Say goodbye.
See you later.
Now I got to push the button.